Oh, thanks for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed yet and you want more videos every day to automatically show up in your feed, hit that subscribe button. Let's check out today's question. Roth IRA contribution questions. Roth season. You're in sales, meaning your salary can vary quite a bit. You know there's a maximum income for Roth IRA contributions, and if you make over this amount, you cannot contribute. What would happen if you contribute to your Roth IRA today? Let's see, it looks like you posted this on January 2nd, so beginning of the year. And then in December of 2021, you get paid $160K in 1 month. You didn't know you were going to make over the limit, but you still did. What would happen to the gains or the contribution itself? Okay, so luckily for you, they thought of this. It's not a loophole. You cannot put money in and then say, oh, I didn't know. What happens is at the end of the year, if you were not eligible, you have got to do what's called a recharacterization. You got to change it from being a Roth contribution to a traditional IRA contribution. Now, if you're astute, you might remember there's also an income limit for a deductible traditional IRA contribution. You won't get a deduction for it. It'll just be an after-tax IRA contribution. And any of the earnings will also get kicked out. There's a whole calculation, but to make it simple, imagine you already had $6,000 in the account and you put $6,000 in today. So there's $12,000. Half of whatever the gain is going to have to come out as well. That's basically how the calculation works. So that's what would happen. You just got to fix it at the end, basically, when you file your tax return and you actually know what the numbers are. There's not a sneaky way to get the money in. So you'd be better off just doing a backdoor Roth contribution if you know what that is and if you're eligible to do it, which unless you have a traditional IRA already, everybody is. If you just do a backdoor contribution to begin with, you won't have a problem. So good luck. Keep that in mind, and happy hunting out there.